My name is Bill Allison, and I'm an ERISA lawyer. When should you hire a lawyer if your ERISA disability case has been denied? I know since I'm an ERISA lawyer, you expect me to say right away. And in most cases, that would be my answer. But let me explain why. ERISA cases are different than most cases. Like in an automobile accident case, you have your injuries, you don't settle with your insurance company, or you do, but if you don't, you go to court. And in court, you put on evidence and the jury hears it, and the insurance company puts on evidence, the jury hears that, and then the jury decides who's right or wrong. But not in an ERISA case. In an ERISA case, you get a denial from the insurance company, and then you have a 180-day period during which you must appeal. Now, that appeal has to go back to the same insurance company that's already denied it, so we've got a pretty good idea of what's going to happen there, right? But it's critical that you do that appeal because that's called exhausting your administrative remedies. And if you don't exhaust your administrative remedies, then you lose all your rights. They're just gone. But if you do all that, then you get a chance to go into court. To make matters worse, the only thing a federal judge is going to look at first is the insurance company's file to determine whether the insurance company was arbitrary and capricious or unreasonable, or whether its decision was infected by its own greed. Once the judge makes a determination that it was arbitrary and capricious or was infected by its own greed, then he will get to the issue of whether you deserve benefits, but not until then. You're not going to be able to call any witnesses at trial or testify yourself. The only thing that's going to be there is the insurance company record, and the only time you have a chance to affect the outcome, to get anything into that record, is during that critical 180-day period following the denial. All of that has to be filed into the record before your appeal. Once the appeal is final, in most cases, that closes the door and there's no more evidence will be allowed in. An experienced ERISA lawyer knows how to get evidence into the record during that 180-day period. He knows what evidence is important. He knows how to get it in. He knows what evidence will support your case, and he knows what kind of evidence a judge will consider as being proof of an insurance company's unfairness, its unreasonableness. But without enough time to act during that 180-day period, you're tying that lawyer's hands. So if you come to me when there's only a month left in your appeal period, it's going to be real difficult for me to tell you that I'll be able to help you. That's why I believe it's important that if you have an ERISA claim that's been denied, get a lawyer as soon as you possibly can. Contact me. I fight ERISA insurance companies and my clients win. I'm only a click or a call away.